guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to try out Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez makeup products for some times now, and Sephora decided to have their spring sale a couple of weeks ago, and I decided to finally cave in and got some of the products that I've been wanting to try out. I didn't get all of the products because that would be crazy. I am, however, planning to pick up more things in the future, but for the ones that I have decided to pick up, I am happy with all of them. So if you guys don't know about me, I am a very selective shopper and I'm also very cheap, so I always wait for sales, and most of you guys should wait for sales too, because overconsumption is never a good thing. So anyways, let's begin. I know I already have a lot of foundations, but this one I really needed to try, especially for spring and summer. I want a very weightless feeling foundation, so I picked up the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation, and I decided to pick up in shade 240W, which is a light medium with warm olive undertones. If you guys are interested, I am in NC30 in MAC if you guys are curious, but this color matches me, I think, perfectly. So I have the Sephora website on. I will tell you guys a little bit about this foundation. It is supposedly an innovative, breathable foundation that combines the weightless feel of a serum with buildable medium coverage for truly layerable wear. And I love the pigmentation of this foundation. It feels a little bit liquidy when I was dotting it all over my face. I feel like I didn't need that much dots on my face, but I'm sort of having a problematic skin, as you guys can see from my demo. I have a lot of breakouts and blemishes, and I'm just trying to cover them all up with this foundation, and I think I did a decent job, but this coverage is just claimed to be medium, so I think that stays pretty true, because no matter how many times I dot my face around my blemish area, it just doesn't cover it. So I had to use another concealer, but I love the natural finish that this product gives. It is a very liquidy formula, but I love the feel of it, and this is great for those of you guys who have normal to combo skin types, and I have combo, like oily to combo skin type. So I find that at the end of the day with this foundation, my face gets really greasy and oily looking towards the end of the day. So I will probably suggest like carrying a blotting sheet or something like that to help take out the excess oil forming. But for the most part, I love the feel of this foundation. I don't have any setting powder on my face today, and I've been wearing this for probably about 30 minutes now, and it looks pretty decent, I would say. So I really love also the doe foot applicator on this. It's a plus. I feel like you can really control the areas that you want more coverage in. So yeah, this is definitely an A for me. I would recommend it if you guys are looking for a natural weightless foundation with a decent coverage. This would be the way to go. And I decided to pick up the shade in 190W, which is a light medium with warm golden undertones, and it helped really brighten up my under eyes, which I truly honestly love, because I love the brightening under eyes effect. But I am planning to pick up another shade, which is in 250W. I got this little sample card thing from Sephora a while ago, and I recently just got a chance to test this out, and I am in love with this shade. It really does cover the acne spots I have. It's just a shade deeper than my foundation color, so it works best for like dark blemish spots. And I need to pick up that shade for spot concealing. So I decided to play with 540C concealer shade as my bronzer, and oh my gosh, it blended so smoothly. I hope I don't break out from this, but I really love bronzers. I think I love bronzers more than blushers, so I decided to contour my face and my nose just a tad bit to give me some, you know, color back to my skin. So that's the trick. If you guys don't have any kind of bronzers, just use a very dark concealer and it works really well. And I actually might pick up a really deep concealer shade just for my bronzer. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. So for the eyeshadow, I decided to pick up one of the Stay Vulnerable liquid eyeshadow in Nearly Neutral, and this is supposedly a warm neutral beige color, and this color is just so perfect for my skin tone. I feel like it looks really natural, and I love shades like this. It's just really complimentary, I believe, to my medium skin tone. And this is supposedly a weightless liquid to powder eyeshadow that blends seamlessly for a quick buildable wash of long-lasting waterproof crease resistant color. And I tried this product out just yesterday and I love the longevity of this product. I had it on for about 5 to 6 hours or even more, and I took off my makeup at the end of the day and it stayed on. It didn't crease on my eyes at all. So I actually use a eyeshadow base primer by Sigma, the Ignite, but this product doesn't help prevent the creasing at all. So it was all in this liquid eyeshadow. So I feel like this will be a great base for me to layer on more eyeshadows if I wanted to. So since I had a chance to test this product out, I can't wait to purchase her eyeshadow palettes. I am planning to buy some at the end of this year, but I am impressed with this liquid eyeshadow formula. I can't wait to pick up more colors, like the deeper berry shades. It looks just so gorgeous. It comes in 5 different shades, by the way, and I'm talking about the Nearly Berry shade. Like, that looks really pretty, and the mauve one, and also like the coral one. I just want everything. It's just a really great product and I will recommend it. So I have the Glossier Sky Wash kind of liquid eyeshadow, and this shade doesn't show up on my skin at all, so I don't care for this stuff. But the Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty liquid eyeshadow, this is like Balm.com. This is great. So for the blush, I decided to mix 2 colors. So this little cute blush is called Stay Vulnerable Melting Cream Blush. It is a breakthrough mistake-proof liquid-like cream blush that melts into a second skin for the most natural looking wash of soft focus color, and it definitely has a very soft natural focus on my cheeks. I feel like I needed to pack on this color a couple of times so that the color can show up on my face. I feel like this color is not very pigmented, but maybe because I chose the wrong color. This is a very natural nudie pinky color, so on my eyes it shows up way better using the liquid eyeshadow, but on the cheeks I feel like I can go for a darker, deeper berry shade and it will show up a little bit better. But nonetheless, this gives me a very natural like glow from the within kind of flush of color, and I love the feel of this blush. I just love that. It feels like a cream, but when you swatch it, it just immediately turns into powder. It's just, I don't know what kind of voodoo is this, but amazing. So I will be picking up more colors in this blusher. And another thing about this blush, I feel like this doesn't really last that long on my cheeks. At the end of the day, it's already like gone. It's like, where's the blush, you know? So that's another downside about this blush. But besides me complaining about the shade and the longevity, I love the look and feel of this blush, and I think a deeper shade might change my perspective about this blush, but so far I do really like it. So because I am extra, I decided to apply on the Soft Pinch liquid blush, and I decided to purchase the Color in Love, which is a matte terracotta shade, and this is a matte finish, and it is a weightless, long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy flush, available in matte and dewy finishes. So these are very different in texture and in feel. I feel like this one feels a little bit drier on the cheeks, but the pigmentation that this particular one has in a bottle, and they are in completely different packaging too, but I like both of them actually. I love this shade. I applied on 3 dots yesterday and I look like a clown, so I know how much to use it today. I only put a dot on and I blended out the color with a sponge, and it just looks beautifully on the skin. Mixing both of these colors works really well. They blend really nicely together, so combining these two, I like it even more. So I can't wait to try out more colors, but yeah, so far I love both of these. So I also picked up one of the highlighters. This is the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer highlight, and I got it in shade Mesmerize, which is a rose bronze shade, and this is supposedly a Selena's go-to shade, and I love the healthy glow that this highlighter gives. I feel like it has no shimmer or anything like that. So this is a silky second skin liquid highlighter that creates a lasting, soft and luminous finish, and I have to agree with all of them. This highlighter doesn't have any sort of like glitter or anything like that. I love the doe foot applicator in all of her products. Just blends really nicely and it gives you like a nice healthy looking sheen. It's a gorgeous color. I'm definitely planning to pick up more of these shades, but some of the ones that I want are like out of stock, so I have to wait till like the winter time. But I am really impressed with liquid highlighters, and I love them in general because I feel like liquid highlighters are great if you want that healthy like glow from within sort of look, if that makes sense. But this is a great product. So I'm not a lip gloss kind of girl, but I've heard such great things about her lip glosses. So this is the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm, and also Nearly Neutral. This is a soft neutral pink, and this is supposedly a hydrating, non-sticky, long-lasting lip gloss that cushions lips all day with soft, nourishing color and shine. And the benefits of this is hydrating, and I gotta agree with this. This feels like a lip mask instead of a gloss. Usually glosses, I feel like it really dries out my lips even further, and I have already like really chappy looking lips to start off with. I don't know if you guys can see that in my demonstration, but after applying lip gloss on, I want to say this is like lip balm in a tube, because first of all, the color is great. It's like my MLBB shade, and I love the smell of this. It smells like jasmine. It just smells so good, and I can't wait to pick up all the shades in this, and I'm planning to buy every single one of these shades because it is my favorite out of all of the products that I've had tried from Rare Beauty makeup line, besides the blushes and highlighter. Actually, I love everything, but the lip gloss, oh my god, this makes me really want to pick up some of her lipsticks. And yeah, so that's basically all of the products that I have decided to purchase from her makeup brand. I can't wait to buy more. I know she recently launched her moon-shaped eyeshadow palette thing, which I'm kind of on the fence about, like 50-50. If it does go on sale, I'm definitely gonna pick it up sometimes in the future, but right now I feel like I have so many eyeshadow palettes to go through. But I had a lot of fun testing out her products. I love each and every single one of them. So if you guys were really curious about testing out Rare Beauty makeup products, I say go for it, because I am really just impressed. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys enjoy my little natural makeup look and review. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.